Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set your away status on Slack. Managing your availability on Slack is crucial, especially when you need a moment of uninterrupted work or perhaps when you're stepping away from your desk for a meeting. Setting your status to away helps your team know when you're not immediately reachable, and it's a simple process to do. So let's dive right into it. Before we begin, it's helpful to understand that Slack uses presence indicators to show your availability in real time. These are visible to your teammates across channels, direct messages, and mentions. When used correctly, these indicators help reduce unnecessary interruptions and improve team communication. Many professionals overlook this small feature, but it can significantly impact productivity, especially in busy work environments. First, you want to start by paying attention to the top right corner of your Slack window. Here you'll notice either your profile picture or, if you haven't uploaded one, your initials. It's that small icon that represents you on Slack. Click on it, and this will open up a menu with a set of options tailored specifically for your profile and preferences. Once you've opened this menu by clicking on your profile picture, you're going to look for an option that lets you change your status. In this case, you'll want to select the option that says Set yourself as away. This is an essential feature for signaling to your team that you're not currently available online. Why is this beneficial? Well, it maintains your focus without distractions and lets others know you're not ignoring their messages, just taking some time away. After selecting Set yourself as away, you'll see your status indicator, usually a small dot next to your profile in Slack, change from a green circle implying you're active to an empty one indicating you're away. It's a small change, but an impactful one that lets others see at a glance your availability. Slack designed this tool with flexibility in mind, meaning your away status won't prevent you from sending or receiving messages. You can still catch up with conversations and respond if necessary, but it alerts your colleagues that any response might take a little longer. This setting won't notify everyone actively, but it visually cues your status adjacent to your profile, which is typically enough for team communication dynamics. A useful tip is to remember that you can manually change your status back to active. This means that whenever you're ready to engage with your Slack channel as usual, simply repeat these same steps and deselect the away status. Your profile will switch back instantly. Your presence is noted once again with that bright green dot, making it clear to others that you're back and available. Another great feature many users don't know about is Slack's ability to set custom statuses with emojis and short messages, perfect for adding context, such as in a meeting, on a break, or working heads down. Although this tutorial focuses on the away indicator, combining custom statuses with presence management makes communication even clearer for your team. Understanding how to manipulate these settings effectively can help streamline your work communications and is an asset in managing your digital work-life balance. Thanks for joining me, and now you can confidently manage your availability on Slack with ease. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below sharing what Slack feature you want to learn next. Your support helps the channel grow.